Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install the Miui ROM for the Lenovo Z2 Plus. So first switch off your phone and then go into the TWRP. I will go okay. So as I'm in the another ROM and which allows me to go into the recovery, so I'm going to select that and press OK. So main thing is that you have to get on the recovery and then you have to wait for it. So as you can see, we have booted into the TWRP. Right now, first thing you need to do is select the wipe and then go to advanced wipe and select all these things: Dalvik cache, system and data, and swipe to wipe. Now simply go back and hit to install and select the file which you have downloaded. So here is the Miui for it, so select it and just swipe to confirm flash. And links will be given in the description. So it is going to take a while to download the ROM into it, so let's see. As you can see, it has successfully installed, and now let's hit the reboot to system. So now it is going to take a while to load, so don't be worried about it because it is the first time you have flashed the ROM, so it is going to take some time. As you can see, the booting animation of the MI. The brightness has gone down, so let's see. So as you can see, it has successfully booted, and this is the Miui 8. So let's just quickly go through the setup, and I'm gonna skip the most of the things right now. Well, mind you that the fingerprint does work, okay? Like some people might say that it's not working, but it's working fine because this is the perfect one. It's built by the Franco 76, so he made it possible. Without him, all the Miui which are been ported doesn't work properly. So as you can see, here we are at the Miui. So I'm going to show you the camera. So here is it, and you also get the manual mode. Yeah, really, this is really cool. And you also get the wait a second, you also get the slow motion here also. Like if you go into back camera and you just go in here, modes, Okay, I'm unable to find right now. If you go into the video, okay, now as you can see, you got the time lapse, you also got the slow motion options also, and this does what it has been tested. So, and let me just show you the system version. Okay, if you go into the about settings, so as you can see, this is the MIUI 6.12. Well, that doesn't matter much because you get a fully working MIUI. So okay, so everything does works, as you can see. Even the wallpaper browser does work, as you can see. If I press in here, the wallpaper browser work. And even as I said you before, it has a pre-installed Play Store. So yeah, right now we don't have the Wi-Fi internet connection, so we are unable to sign in right now, and but we are able to show you that it does have the Play Store. So all the features as present, the themes and the clocks, everything it has got. And as it has been ported from the Chinese ROM, so we get the Chinese assistance. So everything, this particular thing will be in Chinese, so you can use the Google Assistant with it, so it won't mind, you won't mind it. So thanks for watching. This was the video of how to install. Like, if you have any queries, you can comment down below and ask for it. And if you like the video, please do subscribe, like, comment and share it. So thank you once again for watching the video.